आत्मामालिक आपण बघत आहात आत्मामालिक न्यूज चॅनल. मी संपादक सागर अहिरे आपल्या सर्वांचं मनपूर्वक स्वागत करतो. आपल्या समेत आता या घडीला आहेत आत्मामालिक इंग्लिश मीडियम गुरुकुलाचे प्राचार्य आदरणीय माणिक जाधव सर. आत्मामालिक सर,
आत्मामालिक
इयत्ता 5वी ते 8वीच्या शाळा सुरू होत आहेत, त्या अनुषंगाने इंग्रजी माध्यमाचं काय नियोजन असणार आहे या संदर्भात आपण या ठिकाणी सरांशी चर्चा करत आहोत. तर सर, माझा आपल्यासाठी प्रश्न असा आहे की शाळेची सध्याची स्थिती काय आहे, इयत्ता 5वी ते 8वीच्या अनुषंगाने आपण काय उपाययोजना केलेल्या आहेत?
with the pious and holy blessings of Sadguru Atma Malik Mauli, with the innovative guidance from Honorable President Sir, Atma Malik English Medium Gurukul and Junior College has already started with its schooling for the classes from 9 to 12th with a strength of 1,600 students. And at present, the school in progress is with all its precautions and preventive measures to be taken in this crisis of COVID-19. Some days before, as per the government resolution from the Education Department, the government has allowed to open the schools for the students of Standard 5th to Standard 8th. And considering the fact Atma Malik English Medium Gurukul and Junior College has prepared all the necessary arrangements in order to have the students in the hostel with all precautions and preventive measures to be taken. And the school is to begin from 1st of February 2021.
खूप छान सर. वर्गांमध्ये कशा प्रकारच्या उपाययोजना केलेल्या आहेत याबाबत आपण काय सांगाल?
As per the norms suggested in this crisis of COVID-19 by the Education Department, the arrangement of the students in the class is made as per the norms. On every bench there will be a single student. Then it will be compulsion for all the teachers and the students over there to make use of mask, proper sanitization, as well as their daily temperature as well as the oxygen saturation will be calculated. And considering this fact, before we open the schools for Standard 5th to 8th, it has been made as a part of compulsion for all the teachers teaching these students to undergo RT-PCR test. And this is done only for the safety of the students.
सर, आता विद्यार्थ्यांना सुरुवातीलाच वसतिगृहामध्ये दाखल होताना गेट पासची आवश्यकता आहे. गेट पास घेतल्याशिवाय त्यांना प्रवेश मिळणार नाही आहे. तर ही माहिती आपण पालकांपर्यंत कशा पद्धतीने पोहोचवलेली आहे?
In case of gate pass, actually when the parents and the students, when they report to the hostel, it can create a huge crowd. In order to make that process easy, the management has given a unique way of generating the gate pass through the eCampus software, as well as it is made available for the parents on the parent module. The details of generating the gate pass is converted into a video as well as total detailed information is being supplied by the class teachers on the WhatsApp group of the parents, so that it will become easy for the parents to understand that in what way they are going to download all the undertaking forms suggested by the Education Department, by the management of Vishwatmak Jangli Maharaj Ashram Trust, to download the undertaking forms, to print them, to fill up them, to sign them, and as well as when they complete all these aspects with uploading of the medical certificate on the parent module by paying the desired fees. Actually, this year in this crisis of COVID-19, the management has already provided 50% concession in the fees. And at present, parents, they have to pay 20,000 rupees if the student is from hostel and 10,000 rupees for a day scholar. they need to clear out all the fees of the last year and they have to pay the desired fee which is applicable as per told before. Later the pass will be generated, and with that pass, with all the essential undertaking forms, they are supposed to report to the school and the hostel. And as a part of information, I would like to intimate all the parents that a list has been given on the parent module that which are those different things which the student has to bring with him while coming to the hostel. Please download that list also, and all the material which is mentioned over there in the list should be accompanied with the student while reporting in the hostel.
तर अत्यंत समर्पक माहिती सरांनी दिलेली आहे. सर, 5वी ते 8वीचे विद्यार्थी आपले येत आहेत. या अनुषंगाने आपल्या सर्व पालकांना तुम्ही आव्हान कसं कराल की जास्तीत जास्त मुलांनी शाळेमध्ये यावं? राज्यामध्ये सर्व मुलांचा प्रतिसाद चांगला आहे. त्याच पद्धतीनं आत्मामालिक शैक्षणिक संकुलात इंग्रजी माध्यमसुद्धा महाराष्ट्रात नावाजलेलं एक शाळा आहे आणि आपले 5वी ते 8वीचे विद्यार्थी तब्बल 10 महिन्यानंतर येत आहेत. तर आपल्या सन्माननीय पालकांना आपण कसं आव्हान कराल?
It's really matter when the age group of 12 to 14 years students, when they are reporting to the school in this crisis of COVID-19, naturally it's quite a thinking part for all the parents whether I should send my ward to the school or not. Here, being the principal of Atma Malik English Medium Gurukul and Junior College, I would like to urge all the parents that considering as we have already started with the school of standard 9 to 12, and as a part of experience, I am really happy to inform you that the school is in progress in a very better way. There are absolutely no problems, no crisis of COVID-19, and students, they are in the process of education in a best possible way. So considering the age of the students of standard 5th to 8th, we have taken utmost care to maintain them with all the precautions and the preventive measures. And whatever loss has been created due to this gap or in the process of education can be surely fulfilled with the days remaining and they go for the final annual examination. We assure from the school side to all the parents that maintain that confidence to send your child to the school as early as possible so that we can start with the school as early as possible and we can complete as much as syllabus which has got deprived because of the lockdowns created in this crisis of COVID-19. Don't have any fear in your mind. Don't keep any fear in your mind, neither in you or your pupil, that what may be the condition of the student when he will go to the school. It will be as like home. So please do send your child as soon as possible so that we can start with the schooling as early as possible. Thank you.
अत्यंत आत्मविश्वासपूर्वक आपण विद्यार्थ्यांना शाळेत पाठवायला हरकत नाही असं सरांनी आपल्या सर्वांना आव्हान केलेलं आहे. अत्यंत सुंदर आणि समर्पक माहिती आपल्याला इंग्रजी माध्यमाच्या वतीनं मिळालेली आहे. धन्यवाद सर. पुन्हा भेटूया नवीन बातमीसह. संपादक सागर आयरे, आत्मा मालिक न्यूज, गुरुकुल शिक्षा ध्यान और समय के साथ.